Hey there, science fans, Bill Nye here. And today we're diving into a fascinating world where science fiction meets reality, the incredible world of transgenic animals. These animals have had their genetic makeup tweaked, altered, and fine-tuned by scientists, kind of like getting an upgrade in the DNA department. We're talking about adding genes, deleting genes, even swapping genes between different species. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of transgenic animals. Let's explore some novel secrets and groundbreaking insights into this fascinating field. Remember when your teacher told you DNA was like the blueprint of life? Well, it turns out we've got some pretty incredible tools to edit those blueprints. One of the most revolutionary is called CRISPR-Cas9, and it's like having a pair of super precise genetic scissors. Before, CRISPR, adding or removing genes from an animal's DNA, was like trying to rewire a computer with oven mitts on. Messy, imprecise, and you're bound to cause a short circuit. But CRISPR lets scientists target specific genes with incredible accuracy. Want to make a pig resistant to a deadly virus? CRISPR can do that. How about engineering a cow to produce life-saving medicine in its milk? CRISPR's got you covered. This technology is a total game changer. Imagine the possibilities. We can study diseases in ways we never thought possible, develop new treatments, and even create more resilient and sustainable food sources. Scientists are discovering new ways to use it every day, which means the future of transgenic animals is looking brighter and more fascinating than ever before. Okay, get ready for this one because it sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Imagine a world where the organ transplant list is a thing of the past. No more waiting for a life-saving organ. No more agonizing decisions about who gets a chance at life. Thanks to the power of transgenic animals, it might become a reality sooner than you think. Scientists are now working on growing human organs inside pigs. Their organs are roughly the same size and shape as ours, making them ideal candidates for this groundbreaking research. Scientists use genetic engineering to humanize pig organs, making them more compatible with our bodies. In 2022, a genetically modified pig heart was successfully transplanted into a human patient, marking a giant leap forward in this field. Did you know that some of the medicines we rely on are made inside animals? No, I'm not kidding. Transgenic animals are becoming living, breathing biofactories, producing life-saving drugs and therapies in their milk, eggs, or even their blood. One of the most remarkable examples is the production of antithrombin, a drug that prevents blood clots. Scientists have engineered goats that produce this vital protein in their milk. These goats are literally saving lives, one glass of milk at a time. And it's not just goats. Cows, rabbits, and even chickens are being enlisted in the fight against disease. They're producing antibodies, enzymes, and other essential proteins that are used to treat a wide range of conditions, from cancer to hemophilia. This biofarming approach has revolutionized drug production. It's more efficient, cost-effective, and often produces fewer side effects compared to traditional methods. For centuries, scientists have been trying to understand how diseases work and why they affect some people more severely than others. But what if we could create living, breathing models that mimic human diseases? By introducing specific human genes into animals, scientists can create models for a wide range of diseases, from Alzheimer's and cancer to heart disease and HIV. These animal models are like looking into a biological mirror, giving us a clearer picture of how diseases develop and progress in humans. For example, scientists have created mice with humanized immune systems. These super mice are helping us understand how our bodies fight off infections and are playing a crucial role in developing new vaccines and immunotherapies. They allow scientists to test new drugs and therapies in a living organism before human trials, accelerating the development of life-saving treatments. Imagine a world where livestock are healthier, more productive, and better for the environment. Thanks to the power of transgenic animals, this dream is becoming a reality. Scientists are using genetic engineering to create designer livestock with enhanced traits that benefit both farmers and consumers. For instance, researchers have developed supermuscular pigs by tweaking a gene called myostatin. These pigs are like the bodybuilders of the animal kingdom, packing on more muscle and less fat, which translates to more meat and greater efficiency. Scientists are also working on creating animals that are resistant to common diseases like bird flu in chickens or African swine fever in pigs. This not only improves animal welfare but also enhances food security by reducing losses due to disease outbreaks. Scientists are developing cows that produce less methane, a potent greenhouse gas, by modifying their gut bacteria. You've probably seen pictures of those glowing fish they sell at pet stores, right? Those are actually some of the earliest examples of transgenic animals. But while a glow-in-the-dark pet might seem like a novelty, the science behind it is anything but. Scientists use a gene from jellyfish called GFP, which stands for green fluorescent protein, to make animals glow. This glowing effect isn't just for show. It's a powerful tool that allows scientists to track gene activity in real time. This technique has revolutionized our understanding of everything from embryonic development to cancer progression. Climate change is one of the biggest challenges facing humanity, and we need all hands on deck to find solutions. But did you know that even animals can play a role in mitigating its effects? Scientists are exploring ways to use transgenic animals to reduce agriculture's environmental impact and combat climate change. One promising area of research is focused on reducing methane emissions from livestock. Cows, in particular, are notorious for producing methane, a potent greenhouse gas, as a byproduct of their digestion. To tackle this, scientists are developing transgenic cows with altered gut bacteria that produce less methane. Imagine a herd of cows burping out significantly less methane. That's a big win for the environment. Researchers are also exploring ways to engineer livestock that are more adaptable to changing climates. By harnessing the power of transgenic technology, we can create a more sustainable and resilient agricultural system that benefits both people and the planet. Genetic diseases are caused by errors in our DNA, like typos in the instruction manual of life. These errors can lead to a wide range of health problems, from cystic fibrosis and muscular dystrophy to haemophilia and sickle cell anemia. But now, thanks to advances in transgenic technology, we're on the cusp of a new era of genetic medicine. Scientists are using gene editing techniques like CRISPR to correct genetic defects in animals, paving the way for human applications. Imagine a world where we could cure genetic diseases before they even manifest. That's the promise of gene therapy. Researchers are conducting trials in transgenic animals to test the effectiveness and safety of these groundbreaking therapies. These advancements in transgenic animal research are giving us hope for a future where genetic diseases are no longer a life sentence, but a challenge that we can overcome. As with any powerful technology, transgenic animals raise important ethical considerations. We're talking about altering the very building blocks of life, and it's crucial to proceed with caution and responsibility. One of the main concerns is animal welfare. We have a moral obligation to ensure that any animal used in research is treated humanely and that their suffering is minimized. Scientists are constantly refining techniques to improve animal welfare and reduce the number of animals needed for research. Another ethical consideration is the potential for unintended consequences. When we tinker with genes, there's always a risk of unforeseen side effects. Open and transparent public dialogue is crucial to navigate these ethical complexities. The field of transgenic animals is evolving at an astonishing pace, and the future holds incredible possibilities. Imagine a world where we can grow human organs in animals, ending the organ transplant shortage. A world where we can engineer livestock to be resistant to diseases, ensuring food security for a growing population. A world where we can use transgenic animals to develop new therapies for currently incurable diseases. Scientists are exploring entirely new frontiers, like synthetic biology, where they're creating entirely synthetic animal genomes, essentially designing animals from scratch. Another exciting area is xenotransplantation, where organs from one species are transplanted into another. The possibilities are truly limitless. And as our understanding of genetics and biotechnology continues to advance, the future of transgenic animals is sure to be filled with even more awe-inspiring breakthroughs. Well, there you have it, folks. From curing diseases to feeding the world, transgenic animals are revolutionizing science and medicine right before our very eyes. It's a field brimming with potential, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and offering hope for a healthier, more sustainable future. But it's not without its challenges. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, it's crucial to proceed with caution, ensuring ethical considerations are at the forefront of all our endeavors. So stay curious, keep asking questions, and let's explore the incredible world of transgenic animals together. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.